we need to know how to factor perfect square trinomials as well. The good thing is they're easier than just a regular trinomial. That's because both factors are going to be the same. Remember, we started it out last time with drawing two parentheses. These are binomials, so it's going to have one term separated by a sign and then another term. So you always start with the first one. That one's easy. We know it's going to be x and x. And because these both are going to be equal, the signs will be equal. If it is a negative number, or a negative sign first and then a positive, both of these are going to be negative. That's the basic rule. And that's because when you times or multiply these two last terms, they're supposed to become a positive number, and the two negative signs help do that. But when you're going to add terms that create the middle term, you want it to be a negative number, so it's good that these are both negative signs. Because these are both the same, look at, there's only one equal factor, or perfect square, that when multiplied together as two factors will equal 25, and that's 5. That's the only one. You don't have to search for different factors that might equal this number here. You just take the perfect square and you plug it into the second one. And does that solve it to where this number is going to come out? Well, you can see if you times these two, positive x squared, and then it's going to be negative 5x, and then negative 5x again, and then positive 25, and if you add these like terms, that would become a positive, or that would become a negative 10x. So that's correct. Once you have this, you can simplify it, because if you have two equal factors, it's the same as if you have this factor squared. And that's the way you could write it there.